today I'll show you how to empty the recycle bin on your computer so you don't have too many files piling up. When you delete files, some of the files, if you don't do a shift delete, if you just do delete, the file is actually not deleted and is kept in the recycle bin, just in case you might change your mind. You can go there, open the recycle bin with double click and get your file back. But if you didn't empty the recycle bin, they will pile up in there. I think there is a limit for how many there are, but if you need a lot of space quickly, this is a very simple way to get the space back from the recycle bin. So let's check it. To empty the recycle bin, usually you find it on the desktop. You have it here. This is the recycle bin. I usually keep it in this corner, but you might have it in another corner or somewhere else. Could be really anywhere, but usually it's on your desktop. And to see the contents of the recycle bin, double click it and you will see it just like a regular folder, and you can even restore some files if you wanted to. I can drag and drop this file to the desktop, and that's how I restore it. Or you could restore it to the original location. If you use a restore, it will put it back in the folder where it was originally. You could also restore all items or empty the recycle bin, or restore selected items. Be careful with the restore. If you restore things that you wanted deleted, if you want to be sure, you can open the file. I could count the values. Here I am in the recycle bin. I can click on the empty recycle bin, but I will show you a faster way, an easier way. So you can right click on the recycle bin, empty recycle bin. It will give you a warning that the items will be deleted completely. One way to skip the recycle bin, if you are sure you want to delete something and you don't want to ever to get it in the recycle bin, you can use the Shift+Delete. Instead of pressing delete, if I press delete only, it doesn't warn me. Once I deleted the file, it's gonna be in the recycle bin, and I can restore it, move it back to desktop or another folder. But if I could even drag the file to the recycle bin and it deletes the file. But if you want to delete it completely and not restore it, you do, instead of delete, press on delete on the keyboard, you press Shift+Delete, combined together, and then you get this warning that it will permanently delete this file, delete the file, and then the recycle bin is still empty. So the file is gone completely. Shift+Delete deletes the file completely, but you have to be very careful. Don't get used to using that too much, or at all actually. The recycle bin will empty when there is the limit for the recycle bin, so you don't really have to worry about deleting anything from there. But if you need to make space urgently, you can delete the files from the recycle bin, but actually you can configure on the properties of the recycle bin. You can set the maximum recycle bin size in megabytes when to clear the files. So you have the custom maximum size. You can also choose to not to move the files to the recycle bin, but I wouldn't do that. This is how you empty the recycle bin, how you restore the files, how you delete files permanently or temporarily. Hope this is really useful for someone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful and you got some space back from the recycle bin. I got one time even 50 GB out of the recycle bin because I rarely empty the recycle bin. It's good not to do it too often, because if you did something by mistake, you can get it back from the recycle bin. But if you do this, you can still recover it theoretically, but not by yourself. You would have to take the computer to a specialized center for data recovery. So you don't want to do that, it's expensive. Best thing would be not to empty the recycle bin, only when you really need to have the space for it. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful and what you would like to see in the future videos. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Okay, I think that's all.